I open my eyes to a new day. I breathe in slow and calm. I feel the morning energy enter my body. My heart says yes to growth. Today is a gift waiting for me. The sun reminds me of hope. Every light brings new beginnings. I let this morning guide my thoughts. I feel peaceful and strong. My journey starts now. I sit up with confidence. My body feels ready. My mind wakes with fire. I choose to learn today. I choose to grow today. I place my hand on my heart. I feel its power beating. This rhythm gives me strength. My voice is ready to rise. My English is ready to grow. I say, I can learn English. I say, I move strong inside. I say, I believe in myself. These words guide my mind. These words create my day. Every morning is a new chance. A chance to speak with courage. A chance to try again. A chance to become better. Every chance is a blessing. I am not afraid of mistakes. Mistakes are practice. Practice makes me stronger. Strong people keep trying. And I keep trying. Always. I feel English in my voice. I feel confidence in my heart. I feel progress in my mind. Each word is power. Each sentence is growth. I repeat slowly. I speak clearly. I stay patient. I believe in the process. I enjoy the journey. My words have value. My thoughts have power. My voice is unique. My voice is beautiful. My voice matters. I am learning every day. I grow every moment. I become stronger every step. I feel improvement in me. I feel change happening now. Confidence is not perfection. Confidence is courage. Confidence is speaking anyway. Confidence is trying again, and I choose confidence. I say, I am brave. I say, I am ready. I say, I am improving. My voice grows louder. My heart grows faster. I imagine myself speaking well. I see people understanding me. I see smiles and connection. I see success around me. This future is mine. The morning supports me. The light gives me focus. My mind wakes up strong. My English feels natural. My journey feels right. Today I practice with love. I practice with joy. I speak with gratitude. I learn with peace. My heart is open. My mind listens to my words. My words shape my dreams. My dreams guide my actions. My actions create my future. I trust this path. I am disciplined. I show up every day. I do the work. I repeat the steps. Success answers consistency. I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I celebrate small wins. Every progress is important. I honor my growth. I think of English as light. It opens new doors. It brings new friends. It creates new freedom. I welcome this light. I smile at this morning. I smile at myself. I smile at the journey. Happiness makes me stronger. Joy becomes my fuel. Breathing gives me peace. Breathing gives me focus. Breathing brings me back. I breathe and feel calm. I breathe and feel ready. I learn little by little. I grow step by step. I do not rush. I trust the process. Progress always comes. I choose practice over fear. One choose. Speaking over silence. I choose growth over excuses. Every choice builds me. I choose wisely. My English is improving now. My heart feels full. My voice feels strong. My spirit feels alive. I love this feeling. I am grateful for this moment. Gratitude gives me power. Gratitude brings peace. Gratitude opens doors. I am rich inside. My dreams feel close. My goals feel possible. My steps feel guided. I trust myself. I trust the journey. I speak slowly and clearly. I repeat with intention. I focus on meaning. I enjoy each word. I build my voice. My mistakes teach me. My effort shapes me. My practice grows me. Nothing is wasted. Everything helps me. I see a powerful future. I see myself confident. I see myself fluent. I see myself free. This picture becomes real. I walk forward. I lift my head high. I believe in my strength. I trust my voice. I follow my purpose. I am unstoppable. My mind is strong. My heart is ready. My voice is rising. I feel powerful. Discipline is my friend. It keeps me moving. It holds my focus. It builds my dream. I respect discipline. I grow with every sunrise. I learn with every word. I shine with every step. I feel success coming. I welcome it. I love who I am becoming. I am proud of my effort. I am proud of my practice. I am proud of my journey. Pride fuels my spirit. I speak English with peace. I speak English with power. I speak English with joy. These words change me. These words build me. I open my arms wide. I welcome opportunity. I welcome growth. I welcome success. I welcome new life. Today is my day. Today I grow more. Today I speak more. Today I believe more. Today I win. I am ready for the world. My English carries my voice. My voice carries my truth. My truth carries my power. I speak with confidence. This morning is my beginning. My journey continues with fire. My heart shines with purpose. My future shines with light. I am unstoppable.